At first, a very thanks for your support. Finally, my channel got monetized. So, in today's video, I'm gonna talk about my YouTube journey, how I started, what are the ups and downs towards the YouTube journey, what is my future planning in the YouTube. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, I started my YouTube journey in the lockdown. At first, I made a video on kind of motivation because at that time I don't know how to make videos, in which topic I have to make video, but I have to make video in the YouTube. I don't know what to make, how to make, but I have to make at that time because at that time I am kind of free. Like in the lockdown, everyone is kind of free. Apart from studies, I have to do something. So I just started the YouTube at that time. I never thought of I will come this long and maybe the journey will go more longer in the future. You can see my video, like what I made at that time.
And to think, कुछ भी करने से पहले या फिर कुछ भी ड्रीम करने से पहले take little bit of.
First year in YouTube is kind of, I would say, great for me. I've made so much videos in the first year, like I would say not quality contents, but I've learned through those videos in the first years of YouTube experience, like how to talk, what are the things I have to create, how to edit YouTube videos, like how you have to manage all the things by your own in the initial phase. Like in the initial phase, you have to record video, you have to edit by yourself, you have to create thumbnail by yourself, you have to write everything by yourself, you have to upload everything by yourself. All the things you have to do by yourself only. So in the first year, it is kind of a continuous learning for me. I'm kind of continue in a first year. After that, you all know I'm in the college at that time. So at that time, like crucial phase in the college started, like placement phase. So I have to focus on the placement also because that is really important for me. So just because of that, I have to shift my focus from YouTube to kind of placement with the studies. And of course, at that time, I'm not getting that much views on the YouTube. So it is kind of demotivation for me. So that like sometimes I have the thought of like I should stop the YouTube. But then I realized that from last 1 year, I'm continuously making videos on the YouTube. So I just don't have to stop. I just have to continue on that, because if I just stop in the last 1 year, whatever things I've learned, whatever things I've given to the YouTube, they will all go away. So I don't want those things to go away. So yeah, that experience is kind of motivation for me to just be in the YouTube. Yeah, I can do lates, but I have to be in the YouTube. So yeah, of course, I have given time in the placements, and on between that I have made less number of videos, and yeah, I got the placements also. So after joining the IT company, again I started creating videos, but again I have to give so much time into the IT company, into the project. So just because of that, I'm kind of getting less time. Still, I'm kind of motivated to make video. Still, like after that, you have time on weekends and other stuffs also. So you have to make a video. So again, I started making video on that. Still, I'm getting less number of views because I'm kind of stopped in the YouTube. So again, it is kind of demotivating for me. Like I'm not getting that kind of views again. So it is kind of made me to be slow in the YouTube. I again slowed down on the YouTube, but still I haven't like left the YouTube totally. Like I was creating videos at that time also, but less number of videos. But after some months, like 6 or 7 months, I started getting views on those videos, and yeah, it is kind of motivating for me. And finally, some days back, my channel got monetized. In those past 1 year, still I have created less number of videos, and yeah, I have to be motivated with this, and I have to create more number of videos. So much plans left with me in the future, upcoming future with YouTube. Like I want to teach in the YouTube, Like basically, teaching is kind of hobby for me, like teaching students and all. So yeah, in the future, let's see what is going to happen. Keep supporting me, keep motivating me to create these videos. Also give some suggestions like what are the improvements I have to do in the upcoming futures. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like and share this video, and also do subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here, signing off.